Hello friends, my name is Shamli Tiwari and I am welcoming you to in my new video. As we have already discussed in the types of forces about the definition of the force, examples of the force, different units of the force, that is in SI and in CGS, right? Afterwards, we have also seen the effects of the forces. Now, our today's topics is balanced forces and unbalanced forces, that is the types of forces. Let us see types of forces, right? So first one is balanced force. What is mean by balanced force? Whenever we are applying force on same object, both side equal and opposite force, then that forces are called as what? Balanced forces. As we have discussed, I already told you, force is having magnitude as well as direction, right? Force is nothing but what? Force is the vector quantity. It means it is also having magnitude, it is also having direction. Whenever in a tug of war, this game, what is happening here? Two members are from this side, the same two members are from the another side. Both are applying same, equal and opposite direction force on the same knot, right? So what happened? That string is unable to move from its original position. Just like this. See, in the scene of the tug of war, both team pulls away with the same force. Therefore, no change in the direction or the motion of an object. Team A is also applying the same force. Team B is also applying the same force. So, this type of force, same force, we can call it as a balanced force. Understood? Okay. Let us move towards the next one so that you will understand it more clearly. Here, whenever I am taking one of the object, this unbalanced force I will explain you later. First, let us see about the balanced force. I have taken one surface, right? On this surface, I am keeping one object. Suppose object is having name A. I have kept A on the surface. What happened? I know whatever mass of A, that is if I considered mass as a m, total weight of the object will be applying downward in the direction, because acceleration due to gravity acting downwards always, right? So total how much force is applying downward in the direction? M into G. This much force will be applied, right? But still the object is in the state of rest only on the surface. Object is not moving downwards, right? What does it mean? It means that something opposite direction force is also applied, right? Therefore only if the object now only we have seen that when object will be is in the state of rest, whenever equal and opposite force is applying on the object. So here whenever I am applying weight of the object downwards in the direction, something as still the object is in the rest, then we have to know that something opposite direction force is also applied, which is equal in the magnitude but opposite in the direction, that is negative in the direction, right? So as we know, this normal force, this force is called as what? Opposite direction force is called as what? Normal force. Okay, so this normal force we are denoting it with the letter Fn, that is normal force. So as this one is not moving, therefore we are considering Fn as a positive, therefore Fn minus mg is equals to 0. Total force acting on the body is how much? M into A. Formula is what? M into A. And here how much force is acting on the body? Zero amount of force, because whatever force is acting on the same object, that is equal and opposite in the direction. Therefore force is equals to 0. Therefore total force, net force acting on that object will be equal to what? 0. Fn minus mg equal to 0. Understood? Yes. Let us move towards the next one. Unbalanced force. What is mean by unbalanced force? Now see again, in a tug of war scene, team B is there. In team B, how many members are there? 3 members are there. In team A, how many members are there? Still in team B, 2 members are only there. Where we can say where force is more? In team B force is more, obviously, because 3 team members are there, right? So as force is more applying on this direction, so this rope will move in that direction where the force will be greater, right? So here in team A it will be the less force. How we can define the unbalanced force? An unbalanced force result when one of the two forces applied opposite in direction which is greater than the other. Unequal forces acting on an object. Whenever unequal forces are acting on an object, something motion will be there to that particular object. Here motion of this rope will be in this direction towards the team B, right? Now see this previous figure. As we have seen, weight of the object will always act downward. I have kept object A on the surface. M is equals to mg, F is equals to mg. This is force acting downwards to the object. Normal force will be reacting opposite, that is also equal to mg. Fn minus mg means F is equals to mg again. Normal force we can say that is Fn. Now I am applying force in this direction. Right, as I am applying force in this direction, something force is acting opposite in direction, but still the object is moving in the positive direction. It means what? Whatever force, जितना भी force मैं A साइड से अप्लाई कर रही, सपोज टीम A है ना, A साइड से अप्लाई कर रही, सेम फोर्स क्या हो रहा? एक्ट हो रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको अपोज करने वाला फोर्स कैसा था? कम था. Understood? So as more force is applied on this direction, from this direction to this direction, what we can say? Motion of an object will be in that direction, है ना? तो मोशन अगर ये डायरेक्शन में है तो हम लोग इसी को क्या बोल रहे हैं? इसी को हम लोग कह रहे हैं कि अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स. जब अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स एक्ट होता है कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर तो ऑब्जेक्ट ऑटोमेटिकली कम्स अंडर द मोशन. Right, as object will comes under the motion, it means what? It is having something direction. F is equals to ma. Understood? So I hope you understood that unbalanced force, right? Let us see what is happening in this case. Team object A I have considered. Here also same force is applying by the person. Here also same force is applying by the another person. Same force in the sense, same magnitude and same direction. 5 Newton, 5 Newton. Right? 5 Newton, 5 Newton. Equal in the magnitude. Direction means what? It is applying in towards east. It is applying towards west. Opposite in the direction. Then whatever forces acting on that boxes is called as what? Balanced force. Right. In the another case, in object B, what happened here? See, girl is pushing in this direction, the person is pushing with a greater force in this direction. Obviously, direction of the object moving towards this girl's side. Why? Because greater force is applying from the man's side, right? So, what we can say? This force is called as what? Unbalanced force, because forces are not equal. Unbalanced force. Understood? So, this unbalanced force is nothing but what? Unbalanced force is responsible for what? For the motion of an object. Understood? Two forces of the opposite directions are acted upon the box. What do you think is the direction of the boxes of the moment? Now only we have discussed. Understood this question? So I hope you understood today's topic, that is balanced and the unbalanced forces. Thank you so much. See here one more, that only box whatever we have taken in the previous one, the same box I have taken here. This normal force and weight of the object will balance each other, right? But whenever we are applying force in this direction, opposite force will act on the second direction. बट फिर भी मोशन कौन से डायरेक्शन में हो रहा है? पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में हो रहा है ना? तो मोशन अगर पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में हो रहा है तो क्या हो जाएगा? अनबैलेंस फोर्स एक्ट हो रहा है ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. थैंक यू वेरी मच.